What? Oh shit. Oh, what's up, YouTube? Fucking up my intro. What's up, YouTube? This is another unboxing from week 6 of Supreme. Give me 1 second to lower down Slen. Okay, hopefully that's better. Maybe not, but I don't know. But yeah, let's get straight into this. Let's start off with the... Oh, fuck. This is the, pretty much the all-over print. You got the box logo sticker. Oh shit. The Supreme TV sticker and the Ladybug sticker. But yeah, this is the jacket right here. I got it in a blue. I originally wasn't gonna get it, but the blue was in stock still, so I just said fuck it, let me just get it. I don't know if I'm gonna resell this or not, to be honest, because I like the design, but something I won't really wear. But yeah, full zip. You got Supreme all over. God damn it, Slen. Okay, let's get into the tees again. Tees. Okay. That's pretty much it. I got one sticker and from. Oh wait, never mind. I got the bling sticker, TV sticker again, a box logo sticker. This is the TVT. You got the graphic is weird, but I kind of like it. Not gonna lie. This is the Frieza tee. You got it in black. And then this is the bling tee in black. What is the diamonds tee? I guess diamonds tee, whatever. But yeah, these tees, I don't know if I'm gonna resell or not. They're all in my size, but I might just resell them besides the TV tee. I do like this one. But yeah, this is pretty much it from week 6, week 5, or some shit like that. I don't keep up with the weeks. The shipping to my house is like at least a week. So yeah, this is pretty much what I got. A quick unboxing. And I'll see you guys, I don't even know when, until I get something new. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Check all the graphics. But yeah, like as always, you can hit me up if you wanna buy anything. Check my Grailed. And that's pretty much it. See you guys next time.